Hello teacher, my name is Maria de Lourdes Gaona Waites and the topic is comparative as us. Usage and grammar rules. We use as an adjective to indicate how two things, people, animals, places, experience are the same. We use not as to make comparisons between things which aren't equal. We use almost as when they are not exactly the same but very similar. The examples are: to me dogs are as cute as cats. The math teacher is as nice as the English teacher. Monica is not singing as well as Laura. That apple is not as good as the banana. My car is almost as new as yours. The food my mom prepares is almost as good as my grandmother's. Thank you, teacher.